Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will walk you through how to precisely adjust the height of an individual wall. Let's try it together. After the room is completed, switch to 3D mode. Hold the Control key to select the wall. Modify the wall height in the basic section of the parameter panel on the right. The default wall height matches the floor height, which is set to 2,800 by default. When changing the wall height to a value smaller than the floor height, a regular will automatically switch to a custom. When changing the height of the low wall to a value equal to the floor height, the low wall will automatically switch to a regular. When changing the wall height to a value greater than the floor height, click Confirm in the pop-up panel. Then the floor height and all wall heights will be updated accordingly. That's all. Thanks for watching.